Confusing English words. Miss and lose. Miss. To miss something means to arrive too late to see something, such as an event or film, or come too late to get on a plane, train, or other means of transport. For example, hurry up or we'll miss the plane. Lose. To lose something means to no longer have something because you don't know where it is. For example, Sylvia lost her keys and couldn't get into the house. So, miss means to arrive too late for something, while lose means to be unable to find something.